Hello guys, today I will show you how to cancel LinkedIn Premium subscription. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on a PC and navigate to linkedin.com. Now, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and you will see these options. Now, from these options, you're going to simply click on the one that says Premium Features. Now, when you click on Premium Features, it will show up another page. On this page, you will see your premium member since and premium carrier subscription next billing date. Here, you're going to simply click on the Manage Subscription button. When you click on Manage Subscription, it will show up another page where you'll have to simply click on the Cancel Subscription button. Now, when you click on Cancel Subscription button here, it will take you up to another page. Now, on this page, it will show your current plan, whether you have carrier or basic plan. So here you'll have to just scroll down and click on the Continue to Cancel button under any of the subscription plan you will have. So click on Continue to Cancel and it will show up this page where you will be able to see the premium benefits that will end with the subscription. So simply click on the Continue to Cancel button. Now when you click on Continue to Cancel, it will show up this page. Here it will ask, why are you canceling? Choose any of the reasons provided here and click on Continue to Cancel. Now, you can choose to confirm the cancellation just by clicking on this Confirm Cancellation button. It will also give you an offer for the next 2 months, like a discount to keep you on their platform. If you want to claim it, you can claim it, but we are going to cancel it. So just click on the Confirm Cancellation button and it will successfully cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription. So that is a simple way through which you can cancel LinkedIn Premium subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.